Ohayo kininayo, swimming or working?
Both. You're swimming, right?
Kasto iti banding mi kinilakay, ag swim-swimming, hang kami ag swim-swimming, ag daldalos kam lang. Oh my God, your body is white and then your arm is black, love. Sunburn. Your body is so white and your arm is black. Half Filipino, half American. Kidding na. Cleaning the pool, not having time with your beautiful wife. Marimar. Beautiful sunlight over there. The rays over there. It's so beautiful. It's just like a crown.
Yes. The sun.
Sun goes down. This is what I'm talking about. Sun rays. Ooh. See? Pinda siya.
You see the hair?
Yeah. See? The sun rays. It's beautiful. Beautiful. It's beautiful day. The water is so warm. It's perfect day to swim. We are now putting the salt. Look at my husband brushing. We already put the salt. Data. Putting salt. Kala nyo nagsiswimming kami? Ubra kami. We're not doing swimming or happy. We're just cleaning our pool. Putting salt.
Yeah, we have to have fun and do work at the same time.
Have fun. This is our bonding.
Is that what this is?
Yeah. Have fun and working. You see your
Yes,
body
babe.
black and white. Where is it? Where's
All
the
over.
salt?
All over. Just brush the floor. Back and forth. Back and forth. Yeah.
I don't feel salt now.
By the time we get this thing straight, it'll be time to close it. That's what it feels like anyway, huh?
When we're going to put the fountain,
Huh?
fountain.
Why do we want the fountain?
It's more beautiful and lights over here.
Oh, I'm looking for lights. Right? I don't know what we'll do for lights.
There's nobody here.
Yeah, I know what you want to do.
I want lights. so good the water love. It's warm.
Yeah,
I love
it
it.
is. The
It's
pool is really
perfect.
warm, yeah. But we're getting it ready for Weston,
Emma
Bryn,
and
and
Brent
Emma,
to
and
come.
Alex and his family. That's pretty much what we're getting ready for now.
Yeah.
Now that Kiana and Kylo have already swam in it, probably washed and bathed.
Oh, I love you too, my loves. Our backyard, oh. No, it's perfect, our backyard.
Oh yeah.
Mm. Wow, my king. My King Kong. Going to my King Kong. What? You're such a mom. There's a video.